What's up, dancers? This video is an excerpt from a brand new class that I have here in my membership on YouTube. If you want to take this full class, be sure to check out my membership by clicking the join button or the link in the description to see this class and all the other classes I have available. Let's do it.
Jam, jam, here comes the man, hot damn.
What's up, dancers, and welcome to this advanced locking choreography class. In this class, what we're going to focus on today is how to lock to hip-hop music. Now, I just put out a video on my YouTube channel on how to lock to hip-hop music. If you haven't seen that yet, make sure you click that link there or click the link in the description. Check out that video. I lay a lot of groundwork on how to lock to hip-hop music and how to blend those principles and the grooves together. So in this class, what we're going to do is we're going to take those principles and put them into practice, okay? The song we're going to be dancing to today is one of my all-time favorite hip-hop songs, The Creator by Pete Rock and C.L. Smooth. So the part of the music that we're going to use in this song is going to be the second verse, okay? So I'm going to put the timestamp down in the description so you know where to start it when we do it with music, okay? But just know that it's going to be the second verse of the song. From this point forward, I'm going to flip this video so it's mirrored to you. So all you have to do is copy me as if you're looking into a mirror, okay? Let's get into it. All right, so throughout the piece, we're going to be using a few different classic hip-hop steps and adding a locking spin to them. So in the YouTube video that I mentioned earlier, I go over certain steps that you can do while you're playing with your wrist rolls, your points, and your locks. And you could do them at the same time. So throughout this piece, we're going to be touching on different steps and adding locking flavor to those steps. So even though we're still doing hip-hop moves, we're still in the style of hip-hop, we're going to be adding locking elements in. And then from there, we're going to also be flipping them and going back into locking style. So we're going to be going back and forth between hip-hop style, locking style, as well as adding locking arms to hip-hop moves and just going back and forth and finding the flow between those, okay? So let's jump right into this. The first step you're going to do is, I believe this is part of the Fila step. I could be wrong on that name, so don't quote me on it. But the first move is this right here, yeah? So it's this move in hip hop where you're kind of taking your arms and you're bouncing up, and down, right? So the first one, we're gonna go up, and I'm gonna pop this heel out right here, up and lock, right? So boom, 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 just like that. Lock into this. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, this goes 1 and 2, okay? Now from here, we're gonna hit a Bismarck key, 3, 4, right? So the Bismarck key goes like this, boom, clap, boom, right? Now we're gonna add a little locking flavor to it, yeah? So from the lock here, we're gonna jump out, boom, open arms, and then we're gonna pace out this way, yeah? So almost think of it like paces. You're gonna pace, okay? So back to the top, we go 5, 6, 7, 8, this goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, just like that. So after we pace out right here, we're gonna hop onto the right leg and wrist roll, okay? So this left leg pops up, we're gonna hop onto the right, wrist roll right there, okay? So this is 5, yeah? So we go 5, 6, like you're holding a phone, look at it 7, yeah? So roll it up, grab it down here, pick it up, then on, that's 5, 6, 7, on 8 and a 1, yeah? You're gonna go, no, 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 yeah? Because he says, yo, Pete, there's a girl on the phone, tell her to hold, yeah? And right there is where we're going to slide out, yeah? So no, 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 up, and stop right there, okay? So let's pull that back from the top really slow. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 1. Yeah, just like that, okay? A little bit faster. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 1. Right there, yeah? So let's finish out this 8 count. So from 8 and a 1, we're gonna hop right into a skeeter rabbit, okay? Starting with the bounce prep. So 8 and a 1, 2. This here, you're gonna go out with it on the lunge, right? 2, arm up. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Yeah? Now, from here, we're gonna move right into a Roger rabbit, which goes and 7 and 8. Lock it out, yeah? So the Roger rabbit is this step right here, classic hip hop step. So we're going from skeeter rabbit, ta, 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 into the Roger rabbit 2 times, and then you're gonna stop right here in a lock with your knee crossed over just like that, okay? So let's pull that back. Let's go 8 and a 1, yeah? So we go 8 and a 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Just like that. All right, so that's our first 2 8 counts. Let's pull it back, do it nice and slow, and we'll slowly build the tempo, okay? So here we go. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Just like that. Nice. All right, so let's add just a little bit of tempo on that, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Yes, just like that. All right, so we're gonna do it with music, but real quick, just a little character bit. So when he says, he says, yo, Pete, there's a girl on the phone. You could add your own character into it, like you're looking at the phone, you say, nah, yeah? Yo, Pete, there's a girl on the phone, tell her to hold. And that hold should come out of nowhere. Tell her to hold, ha! And then right into the skeeter rabbit, okay? All right, so let's do that one more time with those added notes, and then let's jump into the music, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, go 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Just like that. All right, so we're gonna do the music now. If you need to still practice anything from that first 2 8 counts, go ahead and pause the video here. You can always scrub back in the video, get what you need, come back to this timestamp right here, and now let's try it with the music, okay? Let's go. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I'm addicted like a stove, not into roll.
Yo, Pete, there's a girl on the phone.
Tell her to hold, cause I'm busy kicking rhymes to the rhythm. Fortified with soul, cause that's what I give them. Honey swim a line, cause I always seem to get.
Thanks so much for checking out this video. If you want to take the rest of this class, be sure to check out my membership here on YouTube. Within the membership, you'll get access to all the classes that I have available, as well as video critiques for me to help you on your dance journey. Feel free to drop me a like and a comment, and if you like this type of content, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can get more content like this in the future. See you in the next video. Peace.